Learn by doing lesson 2.5, chocolate fudge brownies. The first thing you're going to start off by doing is going to your drive. You're going to open your peanut butter brownies recipe that you have. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Make a Copy. We're going to name this lesson 2.5. We're going to have it in our drive, so we're going to click OK. Next thing that we're going to do is we are going to find and replace. Whoops, find and replace is actually under Edit, so we're going to go to Edit, Find and Replace, and we're going to search for peanut butter, and we're going to replace it with chocolate fudge. We're going to make sure we replace all. Now, the problem with what I just typed is that I had chocolate fudge capitalized, so we're going to have to go back through our recipe to make lowercase chocolate fudge. So we're going to move this to a lowercase c, lowercase f, and lowercase c, lowercase f. Okay, so we've got that portion completed. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to change all of the font to be Arial 12 points. So I'm going to select Ingredients down through the rest of the directions. I'm going to change it from Georgia to Arial. I'm going to change the size to 12 points. So it looks a little bit different now. Next thing I'm going to do is insert an image of a brownie. So to do that, I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to select Image, and I'm going to go to the search button over here. I'm going to type in chocolate brownies, and I'm going to hit Return. And I'm going to choose one of these images I like. I'm going to double click on it, and I like this brownie, so I'm going to double click on this one. It should automatically insert it, but what you're going to notice is that I just inserted it over the top of my text. So I'm going to do a Command Z, which is an Edit Undo. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to hit Return twice. Then I'm going to go up and go to Insert, Image. My brownies are still there. I'm going to double click on the brownie, and it should appear. Now the only problem is that it's on a different page. What we need to do is resize it. So I'm going to click on the brownie, I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm going to click on one of the corners, and I'm going to drag it till it's in a more appropriate size so that it fits on the same page as the recipe. I'm also going to center the image so that it's centered in there. We want to make sure it fits. We want to proofread our recipe to make sure it's okay because I spelled powder wrong. When you're finished, you're going to save it, and you are going to submit it through Google Classroom. It'll be lesson 2.5.